YouTube, it's Friday. Happy that it's Friday. Man, it's been like the longest freaking week I've had in like a month and a half or two. Freaking crazy. Yeah, it's getting kind of dark out, so I guess I gotta talk quick. So I really don't like this getting dark early crap. It's driving me friggin' nuts. It's only like 10 after 7 or so, and it's friggin' dark. I don't usually leave the house when it's dark. I mean, usually I'm trying to find my way home when it's like getting this dark. But daggone, you know, winter is upon us. It's like 75 degrees right now or so. Got a feeling it's going to be pretty flippin' cold by the time I get done eating. And the 23 miles back is going to feel like 65 or so. You thought I was going to say 69, didn't you? But I got my long johns on and a sweatshirt, so I should be good. I've definitely ridden it a lot colder. It's amazing how when it's cold or rainy, that, you know, that short ride home feels about 5 times longer. It's kind of like driving in the snow. You know, when you drive in the snow in the winter, for those of you who get snow, it just seems like it takes 3 times as long. You know, even if you're going 55 or 60, you know, whatever the speed limit is, it feels like it takes like 3 times longer. Kind of weird how that works. So Halloween is coming up. I usually make a Halloween video every year. So I got to think about what I'm going to do for that this year. Hopefully something a little bit better than last year. If you scroll through some of my videos, you can catch that. You know, if this one is even going to be on YouTube by the time, Halloween might be way past by the time this one makes it to YouTube. I've definitely been stockpiling the videos. Because, you know, everything is kind of pointing to a nasty, crappy winter. So, I might be thankful that I stockpiled a couple hard drives worth of it. Man, I'm freaking hungry. Did I already say that? 65 degrees. So it's dropped 7 degrees in the last 20 minutes. Cheddar's, that place freaking nasty. You know, a lot of people I know have been there and they've not had no trouble. I've had raw chicken there 3 times. I've had raw fish. An hour to get a refill. The service is just impeccably bad. So, Cheddar's, if you want to endorse me, send me an email. I'll start talking nice about you. Why do I smell Chinese food? It kind of stinks.